today's video we will see how to download chart data in TradingView. Export the CSV file. Okay, so in your chart in TradingView you will see in the top right corner, the right side, the unnamed pattern, the arrow icon. Okay, a drop down. You can simple tap on the drop down here you will see, and then simple click on download chart data. Okay, so to download the chart data will only available for the paid users. If you are a free user, you will not be able to download the CSV file. Okay, but you will learn the process in future. If you buy the subscription, you can download it, or if you have already subscribed, so you can easily download it. Then you can simple here select the chart and the time format like ISO time or the Unix timestamp, and then simple click on download, and then it will start the downloading process. Firstly ask for a system location and then start download. Okay, so here is how you can easily download the chart data in TradingView. Goodbye.